you don't know how your turbo Holset VGT Cummins diesel looks inside, that's how it is. The actuator is the electric, plug it in there. That's your turbo. Inside, a few turbo gears and all. That's what goes inside. And with the turbine shaft, that's the parts. That's your actuator arm or the lever. That's your unisync ring here. And here is your exhaust turbine with the shaft. It comes one piece, and then you got your compressor turbine and then your bolt. That should be balanced. That's how it looks inside.